Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Disturbed. A song called Part of Me. Disturbed don't need any introduction, I'm sure. Exploded onto the scene and became massive very, very quickly, then settled down to just being quite a big deal, to be honest. And a lot of people give Disturbed a lot of flack, saying, oh, it's cookie cutter music, everything's the same, and there's been some absolutely hilarious parody videos, etc., etc. You can't deny that Disturbed have a style of their own. David Draiman, the singer, has a really, really good voice. They've put out some fantastic songs, and yes, I agree, you always know a Disturbed song within 2 seconds. You know, you can spot it from 1,000 meters away. But it's always, 99% of the time, good stuff. It's good quality stuff. I have not heard this song Part of Me. But I'm fairly sure I know what I'm going to get. And I'm also fairly sure it's going to be really solid. So, having put my money down, please Disturbed, don't let me down and make a real terrible song. I should click there, shouldn't I? And then click there and click there. couldn't resist the wah, could he, in the middle, which is fair enough. It made me smile. It's almost like, yeah, give the fans what they want, because really they want to hear you go, oh, wah. It's exactly what I thought I was going to get, and I'm going to sneeze. Hang on a second. Nope, maybe. Yeah, it's teasing me. There's a sneeze just teasing here. That's not important right now. I know what I'm going to get on this album. I knew what I was going to get on this song, but it's a good, solid metal song, and I defy you to not sing that in your car as you're driving along. You know, it's good, catchy. It's Disturbed, isn't it? And I realise why some people go, oh no, not another song that sounds like the other songs. Well, stop listening to them if that's the case. But I just like Disturbed. I think I kind of, right from the get-go, many moons ago when they appeared, I'm fine with Disturbed. It's fine. Will I run out and buy Divisive? Not so sure. But you wouldn't skip it if it came on like Spotify or something, would you? Yeah, so I'm not suggesting for a second this is like some landmark album. Though I haven't heard it, but based on this, I'm not suggesting it's like, oh, it's all new and it's all different. Not for a second. I just think it's giving people who are Disturbed fans what they want, and I'm going to stop now because I'm just going to keep going down that track. Happy Boxing Day, by the way, which is when this video has gone out. I hope you gave your servants the day off, the same as I did. See you soon. Bye-bye.